Well, good morning to you out there. This is Coach P, Jim Pusateri, and today's words of encouragement. Learning to replace a negative with a positive. Yes, folks, I believe this is the hardest part of the mental toughness journey. Gathering that ability to be able to move forward under pressure. Learning how to replace the negative things that happen, the negative thoughts that jump into your mind, with a positive. It's a positive mindset. We call it a growth mindset. A mindset that's always looking for what's next, not looking to give up when things get hard. Learning to replace the negative with a positive is what keeps you moving forward. I tell people all the time that I take the negative thoughts that jump into my mind, I write them down, and then I rewrite them into a positive thought, read the positive thought 5 times a day, and that helps me train my mind to stay positive. Thank you for listening to these words of encouragement, and be sure to listen to our podcast, Mental Toughness by Coach P. It comes out every Wednesday. You can get it by hitting that link provided or wherever you download your podcast. What do you say we have a great day today, and let's move forward?